Yeah, I think it's true. In Indonesia, it's the same thing for the young entrepreneurs. The barrier to entry for to have their brand is very low. So it's easy for them to copycat. So we can see in Instagram, there's always a new hijab brand in there. Also a food startup. There's a new trend right now. There's a food startup coming out, and it's good and it's full. Then after that, another week, there's a new one coming out. So what we did in Sukma is all about scaling up. So we're not trying to make a brand just like a label or a boutique. That's why we partnership with the production partner, with a manufacturer that can have a volume very big. Because they are street tags, they manufacture for Uniqlo, Zara, H&M, so they have the experience to make that kind of volume. So what we did was we tried to analyze all the data that we have from the e-commerce that we have, what kind of colors, what kind of style that all these customers like, then we translate it into a brand. So it's not just, okay, we want to have a brand, but we have all this data that we translate into the market. Then we know that this Indonesian market is not really ready for the online market. So they are still very offline minded. So that's why we also have outlet stores, offlines. We do pop-up market. We do O2O kind of channels and everything.
So to go online, you come to Malaysia.
Yes.
Right. So, well, I mean, to answer the actual question.